Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add a call button on your Google site. So if you want to add a call button that will responsive and that can allow the users to call you directly or send a voice call to your company number, then this video is for you. First you have to get a HTML code for that code button, but we are not going to going to create a custom code, but we are going to the rahmanzev.com, where we can find the clickable and call button that are actually responsive, and the code is here. So you can just search for rahmanzev call buttons and you will find that website, and you can find this type of interface where you can find the code here. So you can just copy it by this copy icon here, and I have just copied this HTML code. Now if I want to add that code here, so for example in this section, so I'm going to tap on embed code here. Now embed here, now go to the embed code and paste that code here. Now after that, if you know a little bit of coding, so you can just select the display type, the margin top, the measurements here, margin left and width and height also. And here in this section href, where you can just enter some number, that could be your active number. So I'm going to add a number like this and tap on next. I just remaining the default number here, so tap on the next. I'm going to repaste it and tap on next button here. So it will show you the preview. Here is the preview for that call button, and you can just tap on insert here. So it's too large here, so let me just, you can just click on this corner, on of this corner, like this one, this dot here. So you can just drag up and you can just create a small icon here. So if I want to add this to this section, like here, this section, so I'm going to create a large one that suits with the texture. So that's like this, and anyone can just click on this call button and they can just call us directly through the number. So don't forget to actually add your active phone number here with your country code. This is the where you can just enter your active phone number with your country code, that then you will get the calls from the customers or the visitors. So this is most important thing to get the button worked. Then you can just get it. Now tap on publish button. Don't forget to publish your website to save the changes. So here you can see I have just published it, and I'm going to see the or view the published site here. So I'm going to, here you can see the call button here. If I tap on it, then in phone site, if someone just tap on it, they can just redirect to the dial pad section, where they can just get the number already dialed, and they can just tap on a call button, a single click, and they can just send a call to you. So that's how you can just easily add a call button on Google sites. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.